Welcome to the Vette Net, the most experienced online Corvette broker service, founded in 1998. Whether you are buying or selling a Vette, we offer you our extensive knowledge and commitment to help make your transaction pleasant and professional. The Vette Net is a proud lifetime business member of the National Corvette Museum. The 1954 Corvette model was the second year of production with 3,640 examples built at the Street Louis factory. Our offer is a fine example with 51k miles which are likely original. It sustained a thorough on-frame, no-expense restoration with plenty of history and documentation with 1,000 miles since. All appears to be correct and everything in working order. It lived its life in CA being registered with the famed black tag as seen in pics. New Knoch seat covers, just installed. Here is your chance to add a desirable early Corvette to your collection. Located in Florida, available for your inspection on demand. Assistance with financing is available by clicking on this link, also delivery can be provided nationwide and all over the world. For information on this car, please contact anytime Ken at 866-838-8363, 866 Vette Net toll free, 1-941-586-9924 international, or email Ken at thevettenet.com. Since 1998, the Vette Net, a business lifetime member of the National Corvette Museum, has established itself as the premier source for buying, selling and leasing Corvettes, with thousands of enthusiasts assisted nationwide and international. We drive Vettes, we live the lifestyle, and enjoy the hobby. Our motto is undercommit, overdeliver, and we guarantee a pleasant and straightforward experience. Do you have a Vette for sale? If yes, you may want to take advantage of our unique free marketing program requiring no upfront fee and no exclusivity. Click here to submit your Corvette for sale. We are expanding. Are you a Corvette fan who is looking to mix his passion with helping other enthusiasts buy or sell their prized cars? Generous commissions, flexible time, no upfront commitment are some of the perks. If interested, we would like to hear from you via email info@thevettenet.com or by calling 866-838-8363. Due to the highly volatile Corvette market, some units might not be readily available. Please inquire for details. Images copyright, the Vette Net. Start speech, end speech.